What's going on YouTube? Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, and I got a review release day today for the Jordan 13 Cherries. Now, the first time this shoe ever came out was back in 1998. The last time we got them was there in 2017, and you can see that there's a little bit of a color contrast between the OGs and what we got in 2017. But here in 2026, we're gonna take a look at these guys. Shout out to everybody who copped today, and if you missed out on the Tiana Taylors, well, maybe there'll be a restock here and there from some of your tier 0 places, but I'm not necessarily sure about that. Struck out for my sister, but who knows, maybe I'll get lucky for her at some point here. Any case, Air Jordan 13 Retro, white, black, true red. This is an 11.5. Once again, shout out to JD Sport Finish Line for that exclusive access and the under retail cop, because I had enough points to go ahead and get me a $20 coupon for these bad boys to get them under retail. Now, here we go, guys, the Jordan 13 Cherries, and I am definitely a 13 fan. I don't know where I rank the 13s overall, but they're definitely in my top 5, might even be top 3, but I'd really have to think about it. But I love 13s, not only for the way they look, but damn, they feel excellent on feet. Now, once you go ahead and pop the lid, you just have this white tissue paper, which is why I didn't really, get into it. But let's just go ahead and take a look at the shoes, guys. We got the left and right pair here. Obviously, I QC'd mine before I left the store, and the QC came on great. No bleeding or anything like that from the red onto the leather. And take a look, man. Oh my goodness. These are so clean, and the smell of new shoes. In any case, guys, we got this white leather dimpled uppers here all the way around. Now, as far as the feel of it, I mean, it's not like, the highest quality of leather, but it's a good feel. It's a good feel leather nonetheless. You have white laces in there. Top of the tongue tag, you got the black Jumpman stitched into the tongue. Obviously, you got the infamous Jordan 13 cat eye back here. And how many of you guys actually remove the plastic covering from them? For whatever reason, I don't do it. I don't know why. I just feel like it preserves it longer. Here you have obviously that bright cherry red suede on the lateral and medial side, and then obviously here on the back of the heel. And man, the shape of 13s, I just love these. And here goes the left shoe, guys. Obviously, there's not necessarily different. Down here, you do have Jordan written on the little tag, and sometimes there is stuff behind it. Okay, these here in particular, there's nothing behind the tags, but let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, I just happened to have my He Got Games on feet today as I went to go pick up the 13s, and this is what I mean. Hopefully you'll see that. So behind the little tag there, usually there's the Roman numeral 13 that's stitched under. Not on all 13s, but sometimes it is there. Moving on back to the shoe, guys. Let's see here. On the inside, all white. Sock liner down in there. Insole foot pad is white as well. I don't believe there's usually no Easter eggs like that in Jordan 13s, especially OGs, but let's double check just in case. Now, obviously, you got this big wad of tissue paper here. Like I said, you got the white insole foot pad with the black Jumpman. Let me go remove that out, and this is what's down there on the insole foot pad, guys. No Easter eggs of any kind down there. Let's see here. This is a Dream Cell foot pad. All right, Dream Cell, and it's, most of the comfort is going to be from the air unit that is in here, guys. I believe the air unit runs all the way to the midfoot. I think it's midfoot. It might be all the way. I don't know. I just know they're stupid comfortable on feet. Looking here at the outsole, this is probably the best feature on here. It's just that paw print style outsole here, right? That of the Panther, guys, as Michael Jordan's nickname is also, Black Cat or whatever. And so this shoe, as far as the outsole design, is designed to be that of, a big cat's paw. Let's see, you got the gray carbon fiber shank down here, and you also have a black Jumpman inside the red cat jewel red cat eye jewel that's down there. Well, I can't talk today, man. And then the pods themselves, you can see there's white in there, and then you have red in between the pods, guys. Also with black trim all the way around. Man, I've never, ever owned a pair of these in my life, and I'm so happy now here in 2026 to finally be able to have another one of the Jordan 13 OGs. Again, one of the top 5 silhouettes as far as I'm concerned. In any case, guys, let me know down in the comment section below. Did you pick them up today for release day, you know, or are you going to be waiting until they go on sale? Because I do feel as though these are going to be sitting around and eventually you will be able to cop on the low if you are patient enough. I just wanted to get these in hand and bring you my review. Plus, my birthday's coming up here real soon, so it's kind of a gift to me. In any case, this is Louis' Other Way Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.